We welcome you to another video by Abron Export. This is a eyepiece which is having a micrometer scale. It here on the bottom is the scale. You can see the scale is about linear scale is there. It is about this scale. You can see now this line center scale is there, which is about 200. This is line up to 20. This divisions, and each division is having lines. You can see this. The light goes from here and you can view the item from here. After putting it on the sample, say this, then you can view inside. You can check up how much is the actual distance, and then you can visit send us WhatsApp 99922222049. Another is 9416020001. Email is abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. The scale, I can show you a scale here also. You can see the scale is in the center. See this shining part. It cannot be focused because of the limitation close-up of the camera of the mobile. Share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel. They are available with us. You can visit the Abron and Amazon also, check up there, which is sellable online by our website. Thank you.